Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are sewing the Sophie Bra, but not in a lace. We are going full cotton jersey and I will show you two ways how you can finish the neckline so you can choose the one that works the best for you. Option 1. Fold over elastic finish, quick and clean. Option 2. Sew both layers right sides together and flip it for a built-in finish. This version is perfect if you want something softer, more casual, or just want to use up the beautiful cotton jersey you've been saving. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, comment or share it with your sewing friends. Now let's jump right in. I start with the first option and faux neckline finish. And I will try to match the print. So I will cut it like this. And we need to cut 2 inner cups, 2 outer cups and 2 back pieces from the main and also lining fabric. And I am using cotton jersey for both. This one is the main fabric with the print, of course. And I will use just white one as the lining fabric. Then I just flip the pieces and cut the second mirrored side. Yeah, I will start here. So this is how the pieces look like before sewing. Now I will cut the same from the lining fabric and we can pin them together. Then take your lining and main inner cups, place them right sides together and pin and sew the center front seam. Then place your inner cups wrong sides together and pin or baste both layers all around. And attach your outer cups and also the back pieces exactly the same way as the original Sophie Bra. So it's right side facing the right side, main and also the lining layer. Then take your fold over elastic and finish the neckline first. And then both underarms as well. Don't forget to leave the faux tail here at the cup top. Now we can add the underbust elastic, strap loops, rings, straps, closure, and we are done. And our first version with fold over elastic neckline finish is done. Let's move to the second version. And for the second version I need to add a seam allowance to the neckline, because we will finish the neckline with enclosed seam. So we will sew the pieces right sides together, and we need the seam allowance here. So I am adding 6 millimeters right here. Now I can cut my new inner cup. And I want to use this fabric for the second version. And don't worry if you love this fabric as I do, cause I have a few new DIY kits on my website, so you can grab one too. I need to think a little bit. so I can have the flowers on the cups. I will cut the back piece somewhere, it really doesn't matter at all because the main pieces are the cups. So if I place the cups here, then I will have the yellow flower on one bulb and this one on the second bulb. Well, yeah, why not? Why not? As I say always, we will see. So I cut the inner cup here. Then the then the outer cup right here. And then the second inner cup just right here. And then the second outer cup right here. And then I will cut two back pieces. And I already know I can't match the print, so I'm quite sad about that, but it's just a bra, right? No, it's not just a bra. It's the Sophie, and she will be totally gorgeous. And then cut all your pieces also from the lining fabric. Now place your main and lining inner pieces right side together and pin and sew the center front seam. Then place these inner cups right sides together and pin and sew the neckline. At this point you can also add a narrow elastic to the neckline seam to get a better shape and fit. But I just like to sew it without the elastic. Then turn the inner cups to the right side and you can gently press the neckline and then just pin these two layers wrong sides together. And this is actually the only difference between these two options. From this step, the sewing process is exactly the same as the previous Sophie or the original one. So I will continue this one. If you like to skip it to try on, you can skip it to this time. And our second cotton jersey Sophie Bra is done. I wish you could feel the softness because it's totally unreal. I work with fabrics for 10 plus years and then I found this shop and I don't buy from anywhere else. The softness and the quality is the best I've ever had in my hands. For real, I swear. So you can tell me in the comments which option you like more. And let's try them on.